Hey everybody, this is Matt and we're at Texas Toast Guitars with our good friend Mike Learn. Let me ask you, would you like to make something as neat as this guitar right here?
Are you asking me?
No, you've already done it. I'm asking them. This is an ad for you and I have a class coming up. It's the Build a Guitar with Mike Learn, and we're going to be building the What Would Mike Learn Do Spaz Master. Show them the back.
Spaz Master.
Killer. This is an awesome guitar, and you can sign up to come out to Texas Toast Guitars, hang out with me and Chris, and of course, Mike Learn is going to be here the entire time. You're going to start on day one doing airbrush stuff. You get a premium equipment, Floyd Rose, hip shot tuners, all of this stuff that you see here, plus a Mike Learn airbrush kit, and it's limited edition. I just talked to his wife. She said, yeah, I've got like 6 of these things. Class size is limited to 6. You can sign up right here in the description below. Click the buy now thing, sign up. It's going to be over Mike Learn's birthday.
Oh, that's right.
We're going to get him totally schnockered.
I'm not going to tell you what day, though.
I'm going to tell you what day. It's going to be a lot of fun, you guys. I can't wait to see you all there. Remember, life is short. You might as well have a cool guitar.